everybody. This is again an unboxing video of the AirPods USB-C type it is. So no, I've already got the AirPods Pro, but this I have got it for my daughter basically. So I have given my 12 Pro Max to her so that she can also listen to music and all if she wants. I've already got one AirPods old gen one which I had bought before. I've given it to her. This in fact if she wants to know. Additionally, this is the cabled one, the AirPods USB-C type. So it is also not unboxed. Basically, you need to just all the products are like this. There will be a strip on it. You will pull it out, open the case. Pull this out like this. These are instruction manual, not much required. So just open, it is like this, placed neatly. Just pull it out. Pull the AirPods out like this, neatly, tagged and covered USB-C type. Just have to pull this from here, both ends, and push the USB-C type from here. So this is the basic packaging. So the length of the cable is maybe almost around 1 meter long. So neat cabling, controls on the wire itself. I think this is the right side. It should be mentioned. It is mentioned here. Yeah, right and left. Basic cabled AirPods, USB-C type. So thank you very much guys for watching. This is just an unboxing video of this C-type earphones also. If you like this content, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless.